Okay, so TLRY, we're looking at this one briefly tonight. We are seeing this stock dropping by 2.75% today. In the past 5 days, we're now seeing that downtrend absolutely continue, and the past month, we're now losing quite a lot of the gains that we have seen. From the start of the 30-day period, we were up to the highs around 60%. Now a lot of that is being dissipated, up only 15% at the moment. The past 6 months, the trend is still very positive though, and the question is now becoming, where do we go from here? Over the course of this short video, I'll be giving you all of my thoughts and opinions on this. Remember, as always, this is not financial advice and I am not a financial advisor, but if you do enjoy these very quick, no nonsense updates, let me know in the comment section. It does help me a lot, and again, please subscribe. Anyway, let's jump straight into this, make this as quick as possible for you guys. What are we seeing here on the chart? Well, I think that despite what many people are thinking, this is not looking as negative as many people think. So let's just type in TLRY. And you can see here the trend ultimately not very bad, right? We are moving to the downside, but you'll notice that we are coming up to very critical levels that we found support at many a time in the past. I'm talking about levels roughly around $1, 102, something like that. Ultimately though, holding above $1 is going to be extremely important into the next few days. Then you've got the question of, are we going to see another bounce from there? Well, I think it's really simple. You've then got the next level of support down, which could be at 95, 96, but relative, that would be quite a significant drop. How I would approach this one depends on what I think of the stock in the midterm. If I saw potential here, it could be a very interesting argument to be made that this could be a potential bottom. However, that is for you guys to make your opinions up on. One thing that I will say as well, we are now coming to an oversold point on the RSI, a very steep drop since what we have seen, these points where we were well into the overbought range back on about the 25th. So we're coming to oversold. That could be a key indication, really dropping off of a cliff today as well. You're now asking the question of, is this going to hold? If it holds onto $1, if we see a potential bounce off there, you could be asking the question, where do we go? Well, I'm looking for upsides at 111. I'm looking for upsides past there at 115. Next levels of upside are very simply at 120, and so on we go from there. You can see all of these levels when you zoom out, starting from 111 or 110 to 115 all the way up to 120. We found resistance at these points in the past. Breaking above these would potentially, especially the level of 120, could be a significant point, and it could begin to signal the beginning of an uptrend coming for the stock in the next few days and weeks. However, time will tell, right? These are just some of the key levels that I'm looking to. Very obvious, 120 on the upside and simply $1 towards the downside. That's just my opinions on it based on what we are seeing. Time will tell as to what actually happens, but yeah, they're the key levels that I'm paying attention to. If you like these quick videos, make sure to leave a like, as I say, and subscribe. It helps a lot, and I hope I'll see you again.